Today I'm going to be making lasagna. You will need ground beef. I got 2 pounds. Hot Italian sausage, basil, mozzarella, ricotta, 1 egg, salt, garlic salt, tomato sauce, noodles, parsley flakes, garlic, onion, black pepper, onion powder. First, what you want to do is you're going to mince up some garlic. So after I pour some oil in there, throw this in there. So I'm gonna brown it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my meat. After you see that your meat is getting browned and releasing the juices, you're gonna add some basil. So while the meat is browning, we are going to boil our water for the noodles. So we're just gonna put salt in them and wait until it boils. So then when your meat gets to about this point where it's like cooked but not cooked in areas, you are going to add your sauce. I have this one, full tub of it. So for the mixture, you can get a small tub of cheese, ricotta cheese, 1 egg with a little bit of salt, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, teeny bit of garlic salt, and mix. I'm gonna put it back and let it cook for another like 5 to 7 minutes. So now we're gonna put our noodles to boil, but you wanna measure your pan out first and see how many you need. And in this case, I need 15. So how we assemble it is, or how I do it is, I put a little layer, small layer of meats across the bottom, nothing major. Then you get a noodle. Layer of ricotta cheese, I'm going to preheat my oven to 375. Leave it in there for 15 minutes or about till when the cheese completely melts. So this is how the lasagna came out. Crispy on the edges, but it's okay. Other than that, look at that. Look at that beauty. Just, you know, just look at it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Try this recipe. And yeah, bye.